Hi, it's Paul from AMD Automotive Canberra. We're just putting a new computer to this car here. This car came in from a different workshop, but just gonna show you what we found. We peeled all the wiring harness protection off, and then this is what we found. Pretty much a crimp connector for all the injectors. All the wires exposed. So it's gonna take longer for us because we have to make a new harness for this. And if you look at the actual main power wire, we don't even know if it's fused properly or it's just probably teared into a actually existing power wire, which is not correct. We're going to try our best to actually reuse all these wires to get the car running first, and then we'll make up a new harness. But in the meantime, it's going to show a quick video of what's been done before. So the hard work is not actually doing the job, it's actually fixing the problem that's already here now. Okay, that's the main feed wire. So we're going to run a different one anyway, make it proper. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.